It's chain o'clock na. Hello mga ka-char, it's grocery time. As you can see, I brought my own bags. Here in New Zealand, you have to have your own bag when you're shopping or grocery shopping. So, one of the things that we really love buying here at Pack and Save is it's cheaper, I would say. So, you can buy half cabbage if you want to. Meron ding whole cabbage. And it's really huge. Here, I will differentiate the washed potato versus unwashed potatoes. Siyempre, mas mahal ang washed. And then, this is the final moment. As you can see, I did my self-checkout. So, here in New Zealand, there's self-checkout. And, ayan na nga, price reveal, $253 for that. Imagine, there's no coffee, sugar, coffee mate, milk, palang and bread. So, just the foods of the kids. And then the other things is $253. Take note, it's only for a week. Bye.